How to use Tag app for dating. Step 1. Download and open the Tag app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign up using your email, Facebook, or Google account. Step 2. Set up your profile. Upload a clear photo, write a short bio, and choose your interest. Step 3. Head to the Meet Me tab. Swipe if you are interested or left to pass, just like most dating apps. Step 4. To see who you like, tap the heart icon at the top or go to matches. You can chat if there's a mutual match. Step 5. Use the search filters to narrow down people by location, age, or interest. This helps you find more compatible matches. Step 6. You can also go live or watch other user streams. Just tap live in the bottom menu. Tip: always be respectful and honest in your chats. Good vibes makes better matches. And that's it.